Hello everybody, it is Tina from Tina's Crafty Life. How are you? I am here with orders. And I already did this video, and when I was loading it, something went wrong. I had to redo it. So here I am. The first thing I bought off a Facebook group, and her name is Scrap It Crafts / Tina Treasures. And I love the whimsical stamps and the little dragons. So I seen this and I'm like, oh, I hope I get this. And I know that Tina's from Wisconsin. She's in lower Wisconsin. I'm in the middle of Wisconsin. So I knew I'd get it probably today. So, because I want to make Riley her birthday card. But look at that little unicorn with the little dragon with the unicorn horn on. And it says, happy birthday, unicorn kisses, magical wishes, end. So, and this one is called Unicorn Kisses. Ain't adorable? Love it. Said I wasn't going to buy no more stamps, but hey, good deal. Then I have a Joggles order come in. And look at this paper. It was wrapped in this beautiful feather tissue paper. I love this. I think it's so pretty. Yeah, let's see that. I keep this. First thing I grabbed was Diane. Yes, by the way, it's delusion, delusion, love my delusion. What can I say? First thing I grabbed from the 2021 release is her 4.5, 8.5 matte precision cutting. The reason about this is you all know, and I'll get one so you guys should see it. I do a daily, or most days I try to do a daily. And sometimes she does videos, and we have to cut in the little books of hers. So she made this so you can put it in. Let's see, where did I cut one? And there's not one cut in this. Maybe I didn't cut in one of these. Okay, well. Okay, well, I didn't see when we were cutting. But say I want to cut in this. I can put this in between in here and it fits. So perfectly. And I haven't picked up any of hers because I got other ones that I can use. And also, I bought it because I do buy her little journals. And this is usually what I use for my daily these lately. I can also use it in this. Even it's, move it, but I won't cut. I do have the little Dollar Tree one, which I've been using. Here, I wonder. I could still, if I wanted to. But I picked that up. Put that over there. So that's the new person. And I bought me some stencils. And the first one I bought is called, oh, they're stuck together, is Tom. And I'm going to show you the little square up on the top so you guys can see. This is Tom. And Tom, she always names her stencils after her children, even her stamps. So I believe Tom is her son. And Otis is her grandson. And Otis comes with, there's Otis, a puppy dog and a balloon. I like because I can do the shape of the people. And then I got Edith, which is her granddaughter. She came with 2 kitty cats. I hope you guys can see them. There we go. Did you guys see Otis? Good. There we go. And okay. And then I grabbed, because with Joggles you pay half shipping, and I was like $4 shy, $5 shy, whatever, from paying half shipping. So I was like, okay, I'll buy another stencil. There was no stamps in this order because I have a whole boatload of stamps coming from Ozark, which should be here Monday. I can't wait. I grabbed this one. And this one is called Make a Splash. So it's swimmers. Looks like that. So I grabbed that one. Then, let me get this tape. It keeps sticking everything. Okay. The next thing I bought, I'm so excited, and I was already, like I said, making a video, is I picked up her new collage sheets. This is set 3. So let's show ya. Yum. So we got some borders. And it's pretty cool. I love her design. I wish I could. I mean, I know I do good, but man, she did just phenomenal. And this is her new stamp shape. And them are going to be, they're on my list to get. And each stamp has a different pacing or design. So it's pretty cool, and I want them. So we got some squares in that. I call it stop sign shape. These are the little ones, by the way. And then these are shapes and squares. Ooh, look at the houses. I love her houses. And then, of course, circles and ovals and the houses. And, ooh, look at that. We'll be getting into the big ones here soon. Look at all the legs. Awesome. Flowers, body shapes. Now, here we are, the big ones. You guys get a better view on them. Borders. More borders. That's that stop sign shape. And you can cut them out or just use the whole thing. I'll probably cut them out. More squares. More squares. That funky shape. I don't even know. Doorway shape. I don't know what you call that shape. You know? For circles and ovals or whatnot. Look at the houses. Awesome. I have this stamp. Love it. There's body shapes. Look at that one. So cool. This is her own art, and she has gone through and cut out of her book, I guess, to do these. So if you see some that's like, why are they so close? That's why. Because I wondered that. Because she's taking it out of a book. Let's see if I can give you an example one. I haven't ran in one real yet. So that was set 2. Awesome. Or set 3. She has 4 sets out now. I got the first 2, and now I got this next 2. And let's look at next number 4. And I don't care if they get mixed up, because I keep the backs, so I know exactly what's what. This is set 4. Yeah, collage sheet, set 4. She doesn't have a certain name. So we get some more of those shapes, some more squares. More borders. More legs. Squares. Oh, look at the foliage. Bodies. More butties. There's the octagon. Is that shape? I think she has a stencil of that too, but I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see. And more of those shapes. More of the borders. More squares. More like, can you imagine wearing them? I could never. Not even in my heyday. Maybe more like that, but nothing like that. More legs. Foliage. Looks like a frame. You can cut that frame out, and then have those pieces. It's up to you. And then here's the mask, skull. I like the mask. It's popular right now. See, like what's right here, half a face. That's because of how it was in her book, like the bunny. So you work with it. Cool. Like the body. And then look at this one. Cool. Like, look at this. Believe, because, and then you got a zebra that's red and a person on its back. That's how it was in her book, so that's how she cut it out. Like a half a chicken with a skull on a telephone. Skull. So that is my, that's my Joggles order, everybody. Can't wait. I have a lot of stuff coming in on Monday. I am hoping my first Ozark, order should be in on Monday. I have Sabrina's order coming in Monday, and I also have Peachy Cheek coming in. And now that I looked at I went through everything, I'm kicking myself in the butt buying Peachy Cheek, because once you see it, you'll be like, yeah, you didn't need it. But at the time, it was cool. So that is my Joggles order, everybody. I'm all excited with my orders. I will have, I'm going to try to find where I bought these so I can link this, so you guys go check out these stamps. I want to thank each and every one of you that's came in, watched my video, and give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about where I got products, all the Delusions are from Joggles. They are the most reasonable price out there that I find for her new releases. Sometimes, like Ozark right now, found really good deals and all that good stuff. So, as always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be correct. And bye for now. Have a good day, everybody. It's Saturday. Bye, everybody.